Kobe, where's the zebra?
There.
Good job. Where is the elephant? Where's the elephant?
There.
Yes! That's right. Where is the giraffe? Find the giraffe. You see it? Where is it? Right where?
There.
Yes! Good job, baby. Where is the bird? Can you find the bird? Yeah, you are such a good boy. You're so smart. And the lion? Where's the lion? Where's the lion, baby? Hmm?
No.
Nowhere? How about this guy? Is this a baby lion?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whose crib is this? Is this your crib? Hmm? Whose is this? Is it baby Xavier's? Yeah? Is it baby's? Kobe, whose crib is this? Is it baby Xavier's?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See?
Okay.